Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Thinkpad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Thinkpad isn't holding a charge, it can be incredibly frustrating, especially if you rely on it for work or study. This issue typically arises due to battery wear and tear over time, and if left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, including potential damage to your laptop's motherboard. To get started with the battery replacement, you'll need a few tools. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and, of course, your new battery. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process to replace the battery. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged from any power source. Carefully flip your Lenovo Thinkpad over to access the base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Remember to keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, use a plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel, being cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Now that we have access to the internals, locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component that's easily identifiable. Disconnect the battery connector gently by lifting it off its socket. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris that could cause problems later. Carefully unscrew the battery from its mount, taking note of the type of screws used so you can replace them correctly. When removing the battery, apply a steady amount of force, ensuring you don't disturb any nearby components. Once the old battery is out, it's time to install the new one. Position it in the same orientation as the old battery and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the battery connector, ensuring it's snugly fitted back into its socket. Before sealing up the back panel, it's a good idea to power on your device to check if the new battery is functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. If everything is working well, you can proceed to replace the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently to clip it back into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so. To prevent this kind of issue in the future, regularly check your battery health and avoid leaving your device plugged in constantly. Try to keep your laptop software updated, as this can help optimize battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.